Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen timeout in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display, and here select screen timeout. By default, screen timeout is set to 30 seconds. If you would like to increase screen timeout, click on the next option 1 minute. If you would like to increase further, click on next 2 minutes, and similarly up to 10 minutes you can choose. Okay, so your screen will stay up to 10 minutes, 10 minutes longer. Up to 10 minutes screen will not be timed out. Okay, after that it will be timed out if you don't do anything on your phone. Okay, if you would like to minimize a screen timeout, that is reduce screen timeout, select the first option. Only one reduction is available, that from 30 seconds to 15 seconds you can use. Okay, so what will happen after 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out, and it will be locked in case you have activated your pattern lock. Okay, so here, yes, see, it is timed out. Okay, so if you would like to get default screen timeout, again you got to choose this 30 seconds. This is default screen timeout for your phone. In this way you can easily choose screen timeout in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.